Happy birthday po, Tita. Wish you all the best. Hope you have a day filled with joy and laughter and a year filled with happiness and success.
Ingat ka dyan, Mami, sa UAE. Miss you more. Ingat ka always. Stay healthy. Love you always.
Once again, happy birthday and more blessings to come.
Hello Queen, happy 50th birthday. Sana you have many more birthdays to come. Tapos mapulfill mo lahat ng mga dreams and aspirations mo sa buhay. Ganyan din sa mga anak mo at sa mga kapatid mo. Yun. God bless and again, happy 50th birthday.
Happy birthday, Tubes! 50 years, so golden years. So, pero sabi nga nila, 50 is the new 40. So, cheers to 50 years of awesomeness and hopefully this milestone bring you more adventure, prosperity, and boundless happiness. So, wishing you life's finest at 50. Happy birthday, I love you, and hope you like my virtual hairdress. Happy birthday, I love you!
Ma, happy 50th birthday. Thank you sa lahat na mga binigay mo. Kahit na alam ko na pasaway ako. Kasi syempre, bunso din ako. And wish ko is, yun nga, magkasama na tayo lahat pag uwi mo dito sa Pilipinas. And sorry if hindi kami nakapunta ni ate. Kasi nga, alam mo naman yun kung bakit. And then, wish all the best and yun lang dito magpalakas ka palagi, kumain ka na marami para mas lalo kang sumeksi. Yun lang, I love you. Mwah.
Hello guys, medyo busy dito ngayon sa Senate, no? Pero I'll grab this opportunity to greet my friend in Dubai. A happy 50th birthday, Queen. Happy birthday to you. Hope you still have a good health and active life, na kahit papano busy yung schedule nyo, nagagawa nyo pa rin mag-exercise. Happy 50th birthday ulit. God bless.
Hi, Mami. Happy 50th birthday. Ayun. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na thank you sa lahat ng sakripisyo mo sa amin tatlo. Na gagawin mo lahat para sa kinabukasan na. Sorry kung yun nga, matigas ulo ko, ganun. Tapos, ayun, alam mo namang love na love kita kahit minsan lagi tayo nag-aaway, ganyan, lagi ako masungit, ganun. Love na love mo pa din ako. Tapos, ayun, sana, ayun, pag uwi nyo next month, nilalana, sana mas marami pa tayong memories together, tsaka marami pa tayong mapuntahan na mga lugar na gusto natin puntahan. Ayun lang. Sana magawa natin yung ginagawa natin nung nandito ka sa Pinas. Yun lang. Enjoy your day. Alam pong pinagandaan ni Tito Boy yung lahat ng sa'yo. Yun, sorry kung wala man kami ni T, tsaka ni Adrian. Pangit, ni Kuya. Ayun. Pero kasi dapat talaga na pumunta dyan ng December. So yun nga, ayaw mo kasi ako mag-resign. So yun, wala. Hindi na lang namin tutuloy. Kaya mag-celebrate na lang tayo siguro dito pag uwi mo. Kahit late celebration. Yun lang. Basta yun lang, Mami. Love na love kita. Yun lang. Thank you sa lahat. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Tita!
Say I love you. Say I love you.
Happy 50th birthday, Tita Queen. Thank you for being there to support me and my family. May you have a blessing birthday, and I pray that the Lord will always guide you and to the years ahead. And thank you for being my tita and also like my second mother. So
Yeah.
I love you.
Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi Maring Queen, happy birthday. Nawa maging happy ka sa birthday mo at kahit malayo ka sa mga anak mo, ma-celebrate mo to ng masaya at ingat ka palagi sa health mo at tagal mo na dyan parang di ay mo nang umuwi. Ingat ka palagi at kumusta kila Boying sa asawa niya at sa mga kids niya. Happy birthday again, Mare. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Queen.
birthday, Queen.
Happy golden birthday.
Happy golden birthday.
May the Lord bless you and to your plan. Guide ka niya.
May the Lord bless you and keep you always, Queen. Thank you and happy birthday again.
Happy birthday. We love you.
We love you. Bye.
Bye.
Uy, batiin mo si Queen. Hi Queen! Happy 50th birthday! Enjoy your day, tsaka sana see you soon! Balikan natin sa Pilipinas. We miss you!